What's up, everybody? Thanks for coming today. We appreciate it. UFC 202 takes place Saturday, August 20th at T-Mobile Arena. Nate Diaz versus Conor McGregor, and the co-main event, Anthony Johnson versus Glover Teixeira. Who has the first question? He's on his way.
Can you tell me, I guess, what your feeling is right now? Once again, Conor McGregor is not here for the start.
So we're starting without him. Yes, start respecting people's time, man. Yours, theirs, mine, theirs, David Copperfield's, everybody's. We have only so much time in this room.
Yeah, I'm like...
How are you, Conor? Are you able to clear up why you were a little late to the press conference?
I thought it was 1:30. I was told 1:30. Vegas traffic's heavy as well this time of year. I don't know. There must be a McGregor show going on because the place is packed out.
Are you disappointed it started without you, that you missed the beginning?
Look, no. No. These fucking press conferences, again, I don't know what's... I mean, I've made... These press conferences have helped shape what this is, and then also they've almost got me fucking... They have got me kicked off cards before, so... Look, I'm just happy to be here. I'm ready to fight. That's all I know. Cut all the bullshit. I'm here. I'm ready to fight. You know you're going to get a fight when I'm here. You know it's going to be a show, so forget all this other crap and this timekeeping and stuff, you know what I mean? I'm here.
Fuck your whole team, how about that?
Your whole team. Little crackhead SS. You'll do nothing. You'll do nothing.
Right here, motherfucker. Go, I got it. Super fast.
Shut your fucking mouth, you'll do nothing. You'll do fucking nothing. Not one of you will do nothing. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck you.
That's all right. Hey, Conor, don't throw those fucking... Yeah, Conor. That's a wrap. Sorry, guys. See you Saturday.
What do you think from a professional standpoint?
Like I said, fuck Team Diaz. And if you're down with Team Diaz, then fuck you too. Nate, give us your thoughts on this fight and what this rematch means to you.
I train always hard to kill. He already dead from the last time. This is a new guy. So if killer can't be killed again, USA, motherfuckers!
Okay, officially go on the record, Sean. Who's gonna win? Guys, Sean is gonna make his prediction. Who's gonna win and how, Sean? Who's gonna win?
You got me. Put me on the spot. I'm fearing for my life right now. I'm picking Diaz, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
He picked Diaz. He picked Diaz. Mark Ramundi, who's gonna win and how?
I'm taking Nate Diaz.
What? He's crazy. These guys are crazy. Okay, my turn. Official prediction. Second round.
Knockout.
And still champion Conor McGregor. Cheap pop! Cheap pop! That does it for us here in Las Vegas. UFC 202, 24 hours away. You wish you were here. What an unbelievable scene it is here in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching. We'll see you Saturday. Do not miss any of our coverage over at MMA.
What did Conor do for this fight? He did exactly what I told his ass to do. He hopped on a bike, the little amateur style. He didn't have no clips. He didn't have no helmet. That's not how you ride, but he tried. And he hired all top 10 people to come in from wherever. I don't know where them gimpy-ass boxers he had came from. And then that jiu-jitsu coach he's got, I'm going to get that motherfucker, man. That guy's on my hit list. This is America, and he's over there representing with them. And I'm going to get off topic, but fuck them. But what I was saying was he followed the leader, man. He hired these people, and that was a good job. You know what I'm saying? But who taught you how to do that? Your sensei here, man. It's like follow the leader as far as the martial artist. Follow the leader as far as the businessman. Like, if you think that I'm tripping and just talking on my ass, then you're obviously not that bright.
No, he's a class competitor. It's intense in the build-up, and everything is real. If we saw each other in the build-up, if my team saw their team, something's going down, and that's just the way it is. But respect is an earned through battle for me and for them. So this battle was won. We'll regroup, we'll go our separate ways, see what happens, and we'll gather up for another battle, and then it'll be right back where we started.
And you know what else wins tonight? I think combat sports wins as well. You know, I think as fans and journalists of this great sport, we dream of scenarios like this. Rivalries, great fights, living or perhaps, again, exceeding the hype. And think back to December when Conor McGregor knocked out Jose Aldo in 13 seconds. In a million years, could you have ever predicted that we'd be 2 fights into a rivalry between Nate Diaz and Conor McGregor contested at 170 pounds? But now this has become the story of 2016 as far as fighting is concerned. And here we are after 2 fights of a rivalry that we never thought was going to be on the radar with all the options for Conor McGregor. And here we are sort of salivating at the idea of a 3rd fight. That's what makes this sport so great. It is so unpredictable, and perhaps unlike 200, this night reminds us why we love this sport. It lives up to the hype, and wow, did it deliver in a big way. I think we're all still buzzing from what we witnessed. Big credit, big kudos to both Conor McGregor and Nate Diaz for showing up, backing up their words, and really, really delivering on all that talk and hype. Amazing stuff, and if you missed it, shame on you because you missed a classic. Anyhow, that does it for us. What a week here in Las Vegas. It started with bottles and cans being thrown. It started with all kinds of shenanigans. A very memorable weigh-in. It started with my voice being lost, or I guess it continued with my voice being lost. I'll try to find it before Monday's MMA Hour, but it was a pleasure covering it once again with our crew here in Las Vegas. For Esther, Casey, Mark, Sean, I am Ariel. Thank you so much for watching our coverage all week long from here in Las Vegas. We'll see you Monday for the MMA Hour, but for now, we say goodnight. Thanks again.